Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you the Android phone keyboard not working. Nowadays, the use of mobile phones is not limited to answering and making calls. As time goes by, the updated iteration of Android phones is getting faster and faster, which means that there are more and more functions on Android phones. In daily life, the mobile phone keyboard is an indispensable part of most people when sending messages to relatives and friends or searching for information on Google. It can enter the information you want to enter and successfully send or search for you. But what if from one day, your Android phone keyboard is not working? Some of your letters aren't working on my phone keyboard. Are you willing to change the input method? For example, handwriting. However, changing the way you are used to is always painful and slow. In order to help you solve this problem, we have summarized some useful information and solutions. Please watch patiently. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. There are usually several main reasons for keyboard not working in Android phone or abnormal behavior. 1. Software problems. Android system software updates or keyboard app itself have bugs, which may lead to keyboard typing wrong letters, keyboard is misbehaving, keyboard is not popping up and other problems. 2. Excessive resource usage, insufficient mobile phone memory, too many background programs, etc., may cause keyboard spacebar not working. 3. Settings problem. If your customized keyboard settings are improper, such as key layout, input method switching, etc., it will cause keyboard app starts malfunctioning. 4. Hardware problems. Android phone or phone screen itself has malfunctions, such as touchscreen failure, internal parts of the phone are damaged, etc., which will also cause keyboard won't respond to your touches. Whether you want to use your smartphone to communicate with friends, browse the internet or post on social media, you need a functional keyboard. But if Android phone keyboard stopped working, don't panic. The following solutions can tell you how to fix Android phone keyboard not working. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to restart your Android phone. Sometimes, simple solutions such as restarting the device can make the Android phone keyboard work normally again. It basically refreshes the phone's software and removes temporary errors. It also cleans up some memory and turns the phone back on in a good state. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the power menu appears. Then tap on the restart icon in the power menu. After that, your Android phone will automatically restart. When the phone restarts, use the phone keyboard again to type to check if the Android keyboard not working problem persists. Method 2 is to clear the cache and data of the keyboard. If the Android phone keyboard is not working properly, keeps getting stuck or lagging, the problem may also be in the local data files of the keyboard app. Clearing the cache files of the keyboard is a good way to solve keyboard is not working in Android phone. It will reset the keyboard app and make it work properly again. Please try to clear the cache and data of the keyboard and see if it works. Please open settings and scroll down to find and tap apps. Then continue to swipe up and down on the app's interface to find and tap keyboard, and then tap storage options. Finally, tap clear data and then tap OK. After that, the Android phone will clear all keyboard settings, including saved words. After completion, restart the Android phone to check if the problem has been fixed. Method 3 is to start your phone in safe mode. If you have downloaded some third-party apps, sometimes third-party apps can cause errors or glitches with Android phone keyboard won't work. Safe mode will only run apps that come with Android itself, not third-party apps. If Android phone keyboard not responding to touch, you can try using safe mode to check if a third-party app is causing the problem. To enter safe mode, press and hold the power button until the shutdown screen appears. On the shutdown screen, tap and hold the shutdown icon until the screen shows the safe mode option. After safe mode appears, tap safe mode. Your phone will restart to return to the home screen in safe mode. If the problem does not occur in safe mode, the problem is caused by a third-party app. Please uninstall all recently installed apps. After that, exit safe mode by restarting your phone and check if the keyboard is working properly. Method 4 is to check for software updates. Sometimes some outdated software may have glitches that cause Android phone keyboard doesn't work, and the software developers may have fixed it and require an updated software version. At this time, make sure that the software on your Android phone is the latest version. Please open Settings, scroll down to find and tap the Software Update option, then tap Download and Install or check for updates to check if there is a system update available. If there is an update available, the phone will display the updated content and version information. Please follow the on-screen prompts to update your device. After the update is complete, the phone will automatically restart and apply the new software version. Finally, check again whether the Android phone keyboard has returned to normal. Method 5 is to restore the Android phone keyboard to factory settings. If the Android phone keyboard keeps glitching, you can try to restore the factory settings. Please note that this will completely reset your device and delete all data. If you need the data in your phone, be sure to back it up in advance. Otherwise, your data will be permanently deleted. Now please click on the phone's settings, enter the settings, find and tap General Management, find the Reset option in the General Management interface, tap the Reset option, find and tap Restore Factory Settings. After confirming the deletion on the new interface, your Android phone will enter the Factory Settings Restore program. At this time, your Android phone should restart automatically. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. After the phone restarts, you will need to set it up again like a new phone. During the setup or after the setup is completed and enter the home screen, you can continue to try whether the Android phone keyboard can't work problem still exists. Method 6 is to use a third-party keyboard app. If the system has a problem and the above methods cannot solve it, please Google to find a third-party and official keyboard app to replace it. Method 7 is to seek help from professionals. We hope this video can help you solve the keyboard stops working on Android phone problem. But if this video cannot help you, it may be caused by hardware failure. And this requires professional repair. You need to take your phone to the official service center for technicians to help you check and fix the problem. Today's video is here. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.